Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking one niche that matches your knowledge and has buyers. This reduces wasted effort. Once chosen, set up a simple platform, blog, YouTube channel, or email list, and brand it consistently so people trust you. Next, apply to relevant affiliate programs and grab tracking ID. Make sure to read payout rules and cookie windows. Then plan your first 3 content pieces aimed at buyers, include primary keywords, and insert 1 affiliate link per piece, so you start collecting clicks immediately. Once you have content and links, focus on traffic and conversion mechanics. Produce buyer intent pieces, reviews, comparisons, and tutorials, and always include clear CTAs so viewers know the next step. Make a simple opt-in funnel, a lead magnet, a 1-email welcome sequence, and basic segmentation to personalize offers. Use UTMs and conversion tracking to see which posts or ads produce sales, and check ROI frequently. When you know which content converts, double down on it and refine headlines and CTAs for higher click-through rates. You finish by scaling what already makes sales. Invest ad spend into top-performing content, repurpose that content into new formats, and pursue partnerships or guest spots to widen reach. Diversify across complementary offers and aim for some higher ticket or recurring commission products to stabilize income. Continuously /B test creatives, link placements, and email subject lines. If results drop, troubleshoot. Confirm traffic matches the offer. Simplify landing messages, and ensure your headline, promise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.